to subscribe!
Eddy's Riddle Game!
Eddy worked all night fixing his broken machine.
Ah! I finally finished. Oh, my house is a mess. Oh, how am I gonna clean this up? Eddy! We came to visit. Hello! Hi, guys.
Oh my! Why is your place so messy?
You see... that's it? I'm such a genius.
Eddy, what's the matter?
I just thought of a really fun game to play.
What's the game, Eddy?
It's a riddle game. If you guess all the riddles right, then I'll show you something amazing.
Something amazing? That sounds fun!
Yeah! Okay, here's the first riddle. What is the object that works while always standing on its head?
Eddy, give us a hint.
The answer is in my house. If you look around here, you'll find it.
Let's hurry and look!
Are these it?
You can put them in my toolbox.
Are these it?
Put them on my desk, please.
Oh, okay, I will.
Can you put that over there? Oh, and that over there. It's working.
I just don't know. What's the answer?
The answer is... the brush that Pororo is holding right now. You can only paint a picture if the brush is standing on its head.
That's right! Give us the next riddle, Eddy.
Okay, the next riddle is, what comes out when you clean my house?
The riddle seems a bit weird.
If you all clean my house together, then you'll find the answer quicker.
Should we start cleaning?
Okay.
But this is...
So what comes out?
The answer is, sweat comes out.
What?
And check this out. Playing the riddle game has made my place amazingly clean, just like I said.
The amazing thing you were going to show us was this?
We played a fun game while cleaning my house. We killed two birds with one stone.
You made us play a riddle game to clean your house?
I'm so mad!
Oh no, Eddy played a trick on his friends.
I'm really upset. He tricked us into cleaning his house.
We totally fell for Eddy's trick. We should get him back.
Let's give Eddy a riddle to solve.
A riddle?
Yeah, let's give him a taste of his own medicine with a riddle of our own.
So what should our riddle be,
I have a great idea. Coming closer.
La 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 la. Oh, what are they doing huddled together?
Sounds great.
Oh, hey guys! What were you all talking about?
We were talking about the most difficult riddle in the world.
What? The most difficult riddle? There's no riddle that I, Eddy the Genius, couldn't solve.
Are you sure about that? You've only given riddles so far.
Okay, then give me the riddle. I'll solve any riddle you've got.
Okay, I'll give you a riddle then.
This will be fun.
I consider this a treasure. It's a treasure for Loopy and Poopy too. It's a treasure that we all feel is precious to us. What is this treasure?
A precious treasure?
We're all going to have dinner at my house later, so... We'll give you until then to solve the riddle, Eddy.
Oh, Okay, easy, because I'm the genius Eddy.
Don't let us down!
I guess I'll see you guys later.
Will Eddy be able to solve the riddle in time?
A treasure that is precious to everyone. I can't figure it out. What if I don't solve the riddle? It'll be embarrassing.
I thought you were a genius.
So disappointing. I knew you wouldn't solve it.
I have to solve it. I better go ask them for a hint before I become a laughingstock. Loopy, it's me, Eddy.
Pororo was right. Eddy's here. What brings you here, Eddy?
You see, Loopy.
What is it, Eddy?
Loopy, will you give me a hint for the riddle?
If you do some errands for me, I will.
Thank you, Loopy. What do you need me to do?
Can you go bring some flour from Petty's house?
Will you be all right, Eddy?
Yeah. Oh, I'm so tired. Loopy, aren't you tired?
The thought of my friends enjoying my food makes me happy.
It makes you happy?
Here. Now you know what my treasure is, right?
Oh, no, not really.
I think you should go ask the others for more hints.
Pororo, Krong.
What's up, Eddy?
Well,
You're here about the riddle, aren't you?
well, I'm not here just about the riddle.
I'll give you a hint if you fix our house.
Okay, no problem. What needs to be fixed?
Can you fix my chimney? Things have been falling into my fireplace. Next, I need my faucet fixed. Krong broke it while fooling around.
Pororo, Krong, what else needs fixing?
Let's see.
Oh, your airplane is broken. Give it here. I'll fix it for you.
Thank you, Eddy.
Eddy is showing off his skills.
Ta-da!
Wow, awesome!
Now, give me a hint for the riddle, Pororo.
My treasure is Krong.
What?
Do you think the friends gave Eddy a hint?
Phew, I'm so tired.
Huh? Eddy?
Hey, Poby. Poby, I'll give you a hand.
It's okay, Eddy. You look tired already.
Give it here. It won't be so heavy if we carry it together.
Thank you, Eddy.
Welcome. What did you catch so much fish for? It's so heavy for you to carry.
Oh, I wanted to share them with everybody later.
So you caught a lot? You must be tired.
It's okay. But Eddy, have you been able to solve the riddle yet?
Oh, well, not yet.
Eddie, the answer isn't hard. Our treasure is your treasure too, Eddy.
My treasure? Sorry, Poby, but I have to hurry home.
Will Eddy be able to solve the riddle this time?
Oh, this is... It's the picture of all my friends congratulating me when I made the rocket. That was a great day. Oh, I was really terrible to my friends. What do I do now? Oh, they must all be at Loopy's by now.
Our dinner will be the bread that I made and the fish that Poby caught.
Thank you, Loopy.
Wow,
that was yummy.
But where's Eddy?
Well, I guess he hasn't solved the riddle yet.
You know, Eddy did help me a lot today.
And he also helped me carry the fish earlier.
He did? Eddy helped me with a lot of things too.
He doesn't know it, but Eddy basically solved the riddle.
Let's go tell Eddy the answer now.
Okay.
Oh, I'm too embarrassed to go inside. Oh.
I'll go and get Eddy and bring him here.
Hey, guys.
It's Eddy!
Come on in, Eddy. We were waiting for you.
Eddy, why did you come so late?
We were worried about you. I'm sorry. To be honest, I couldn't solve the riddle.
Don't be sorry. I was so grateful to you for helping me to make the bread.
Thank you for fixing our house and for fixing Krong's toy plane.
And thank you for helping me carry the fish, too. It was really heavy, huh?
Thank you, Eddie.
No thanks needed. We're friends. Oh, I got it!
I'm happy when I think of my friends enjoying my food.
My treasure is grown.
Our treasure is your treasure, too, Eddie.
I know the answer!
Oh?
The answer is... a friend!
That's right.
How did you figure it out?
I just now got the hints you all gave me. A good friend is a treasure to all of us.
We're sorry, Eddie. We put you through a lot today.
It's okay. I deserved it. I used a riddle game to trick you into cleaning.
But because of that, we learned that we are each other's treasure.
You're right.
Today, Eddie and his friends realized that they are each a precious treasure to one another.